lovelies, it's me, Jennifer Ziliotto. I'm back again for another Style Fix video. Thank you to everyone who is joining me. Thank you to all the new subscribers. We're so happy to have you here in our little community. And today I wanted to continue the series that I've been doing in the last few weeks about accessories. And I thought we could talk about one of the simplest accessories, and that is makeup. I think this is an accessory that gets really overlooked sometimes, but it is the simplest way to transform an outfit or the same look from one day to the next. It can be an accessory that is really dramatic or really subdued and subtle. And now that we're heading into full-on spring and then summer, I thought it would be fun to talk about some fresh ideas of how to wear makeup this season. So I just want to start off this video talking about my personal journey with makeup. I have to say I was never a really big makeup wearer. I've had a lot of problems with my skin and I didn't really know how to apply it. So I never really took advantage of it. And then when I moved here to Montreal, I happened upon this adorable boutique that was doing a demo of this makeup line that is made here called Maison Jacynthe. I've talked about it 1,000 times. I'll put the link in the description down below. It's an all-natural makeup line, and because I've had so many problems with my skin, I thought, okay, let me try this. And so I booked a 15-minute makeup session with the lovely makeup artist, and my skin loved it, was so happy. And also I loved the result. And I feel like, especially as we age, this is a great little tool to have in your back pocket. So ever since then, I've really been playing around with makeup and having a lot of fun with it. So there are, like I said, there are so many tutorials out there. I'll put links in the description down below, and I'll explain who I like and why as we go along. But let's get into talking about some of the fresh looks right now that you can adopt for this spring, summer in terms of makeup. I love the classicness of doing a really beautiful red lip. I feel like this is a kind of look that you can never go wrong with, no matter what color your outfit is, whether you're doing a denim top, whether you're doing a white t-shirt, whether you're doing something that's a little bit dressier. A strong red lip with a subtle eye is always gonna look fresh. It's always gonna look chic and is a very classic way to wear makeup. I also love all these beautiful hues of berry that are out there right now. These sort of raspberries and more lighter toned. They're not as dark as a burgundy, let's say, a little bit brighter, a little bit lighter. And I think that this is a really, really pretty way to add color to any kind of outfit. And I'm not necessarily one of those people that feel like you need to match your lipstick color to whatever you're wearing. Like if you're wearing a pink top, then you should be wearing a pink lipstick color. Sometimes I like the idea of playing around with that a little bit more and doing something that's a little bit unexpected, like wearing a pink top with a red lipstick or doing a burgundy lipstick with a pink top, let's say, or doing something that's very nude and subtle. I don't think that you necessarily have to follow any rules here. This is just a place for you to bring in this amazing tool accessory and have fun with it. Next is a look that I absolutely love, and to me really felt very kind of scary when I first thought about this, but then I watched quite a few tutorials, and one of them that I really love is Kim Sloan's showing you how to do a Smokey Eye. And I love her description of it because she makes it really easy, and it's one of those things that actually is quite messy. So it's easier than you think because you don't have to have a terribly great precision in order to pull off this look. Now that we're heading into wedding season, this is a great way to take a basic dress or a basic look and take it to the next level. Make it look really dressy and really quite dramatic. I love also doing a brown smoky eye or a rose gold kind of smoky eye, because I don't think that necessarily a smoky eye has to be just for nighttime. It can be totally a daytime look as well. And then another look that I'm personally really loving and been playing around with, which is kind of what I've tried to do today, is doing this brighter pink or brighter color on the eyelid. Again, I watched some tutorials so I could figure out how to do it. Lisa Eldridge, I find she explains extremely well. She's a professional makeup artist based in London, and I find her tutorials are so easy to follow because she really does do a step-by-step. She has a lot of them, and I would say she's probably one of my go-tos when it comes to learning how to wear makeup. I love how fresh this look is. I like how it adds color to your face and to your outfit. This is the kind of thing that I feel like really dresses up a jeans and t-shirt kind of look. I feel like this is the kind of thing that can be really dramatic if you want it to be, or a little bit more subtle, depending on where you want to go in terms of this kind of look. But this is a really fun one. There's so many makeup lines out there. There's so many different palettes. There's so much to choose from doing a pink to a lavender to a blue even. This can be a place to add in color and really have fun with it. And the nice thing about this is that often when you do buy a palette of eyeshadow, you get one or two bright colors in that palette. And I always think, I don't know what to do with these. This is a nice way to use some of those bright colors. And honestly, it's a lot easier to pull off than you think. And then another really beautiful, very classic kind of makeup look is that sort of makeup, not made up kind of makeup look, that very fresh, kind of as if you're not wearing any makeup at all, really pretty. And this is great also too if wearing makeup is new to you and it feels very intimidating. Doing a non-makeup look, perfect way to go. Again, Lisa Eldridge has a lot of tutorials on this, really, really simple. And I think that this is fresh. I think that this is perfect for daytime or evening, depending on what you're wearing. I think this is really classic. I think it's beautiful with a white shirt, let's say, a blazer. This is the kind of thing that can be an everyday kind of look, or perhaps you're gonna wanna add in a little bit of a darker tone to your natural lip tone just to make it look a little bit evening. I feel like this is the kind of thing that is really easy to pull off, and it's all kind of in the product here, the quality of product, and then of course learning how to apply it. And then lastly, there's one area of makeup that I don't want to forget, and I'm not talking about our faces, but definitely in our hands, and that is wearing nail polish. If you're somebody that does not want to wear makeup at all, it just doesn't work for you, it's a bit challenging, whatever the reason, adding in great nail polish is another great way to make this simple sort of accessory really work for you and take any kind of outfit and make it look more polished and more stylish. And as we all know, there's so many different colors of nail polish. There's so many places to go, whether or not you want to do it at home or you want to get it professionally done. It's such an easy way to add in polish, no pun intended, and color and even sometimes drama to any kind of outfit. So that is it, my lovelies. That is my take on how you can make this overlooked accessory really work for you. Some fun, fresh ways to play around with it for this spring, summer. Just want to quickly say that if you missed my announcement about la collection privée, then I just want to remind you here that I am coming to Toronto. I'm really excited. It's going to be fun. We always have so much fun. It's so nice. I feel like I've missed you. Like I need to see you. So I'm excited to come. Mother's Day weekend, you can book your spot on the website or through Instagram. Bring a friend, bring your mom, bring your sister. So much fun. So that's it. Hope you liked this video. Hope you liked my ideas. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please leave a comment down below. You know, I love hearing from you. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. Really important that you do so. And of course, for more style ideas, more inspiration, more of what I'm up to, don't forget to follow me on Facebook and on Instagram. And you can now check out my Substack account.